All right. Hey everybody, I'm Damon.
I'm Evan.
And today on Cognition, we're going to turn this basement into our studio. All right, now we just have to talk about it.
But we're moving everything.
Yeah, we're moving everything.
Everything's got to go.
Yeah, first thing we need to do is empty this room out. All right. We had this all kind of figured out.
We had the workbench.
Yeah, we know where we want to put stuff.
Right here.
So we're in my basement at my house. This is, again, what we have available to us to shoot in. So we're going to turn it into a studio today. And we're going to do that by removing everything that's in here. I've talked on other episodes about how I'm kind of a messy person. We're going to work on organization. But you have to start with a clean slate. So Evan has come over today. He's brought some help, his lovely wife. And we have some kids here too for doing a little bit of grunt work. And we're just going to get everything out of here, start with a totally blank slate, and set up our studio. You already had some ideas on how we could set things up.
We're putting up the bookcases in the back, putting up a workbench to show off our work.
Kind of a production desk.
A production desk.
Yeah.
And we're going to put up a table for podcasts and discussions later.
So we want multiple sets then. And some of this stuff just has to move. We're already in the process of draining and moving the aquarium, and we're going to have an area specifically for those. I think that'll be in front of my editing station.
It's going to be over there.
Yeah, right back in that corner where the Legos were before. Legos need to go probably along the sidewall here. We're planning down the road on having a fold-down table. So my son and I, your son and you, anybody who wants to can come down here and build with Lego, and then it's not going to be, I can't believe I said Legos before, by the way.
Yeah, it's Lego.
It's Lego.
Lego, man.
Yeah, everybody knows that. Not everybody knows that. I didn't know that. I did. I heard that, but I never remember to say it that way.
It's Lego toys.
It's Lego. So if I get that wrong, you just correct me. Just walk all over me. I've been playing with the toys since I was,
a peanut.
Well, yes, yeah, a peanut.
Yeah.
A Lego peanut. Do they make Lego peanuts?
I think they have a Lego peanut.
Okay, we need to get on that.
Not a Lego peanut.
Okay, so I think we should probably just get to work. Just get this stuff out of here.
Let's just
the
start
production
moving
desk
things.
itself is going to be another little project. I think we could just do a mini project inside of this project where we go outside.
Put it together.
Yeah, build the thing.
Put it together.
Bring it, cut the tabletop for it in the front, bring it down here, put it together, and then we can close the episode from behind that.
So with that, I think we should just start picking up our game.
Just start scooping this crap in. Okay, we have the base for our workbench slash news bench, our news desk, yes, where we want to stand when we're down in our new studio talking to people. So we need a top for this. And I think my idea is maybe we turn it around, have the drawers and stuff facing us, since that's going to be useful. They don't need the drawers. You guys don't need the drawers.
You can see that it was an old vanity.
It was an old vanity. This was gifted to me by my father, who did not need it anymore. So I think we'll turn it around, maybe cover the back of it and the top. We've got, let's use what's available to us.
Let's just repurpose the thing.
Yeah, we've got a sheet of red oak plywood hanging up in the eaves up there, rafters, I guess.
Let's go get some wood.
Yeah, let's get that and measure it out and make this thing functional.
Oh, Bob Saget, there is a...
I'm thinking, Evan, if we can get... Oh, what's up there?
Wood. There's wood up here.
Yay! Yeah, we'll shift that way and then we can drop it down. Let's just get this thing down. For now.
Oh, that part, yeah. But not when we're down on the bottom. Keep it pulled.
Oak piece on top.
Well, Oh, okay. Ooh, wow.
Okay.
Okay, that was a little bit more ordeal than I thought it was going to be.
So we wanted this, I believe, when we were discussing this, we wanted it 5 feet wide. Or 5 feet wide, 18 inches deep.
Yeah.
And then use the rest to do the bottom. Height is 30. And I mean, I don't think it needs to come up to here. I think
No, not
36 would be pretty good for the thing. Okay, here's what I'm picturing. We've got our 5 foot. So we'd have the 48 on the back, right? Mm-hmm. Covering the back. And then up at the top, butting up against the tabletop, we would have whatever's left from the 5 just sandwiched to this. So there'd be another board sandwiched to this thing.
Gotcha.
After that 5 feet, we've still got 36 inches of this, so we can get to the floor with it.
Yeah, let's do it that way.
That's good. And we're just going to get this.
Oh. We have another support. We're going to edit that part in post.
You know what? Let's put it together down there and then decide.
So we want to make this the backing, or do we want to? I thought we were going to cut.
That will be on first, and then this will go on over that. So we'll go like that. Okay. Yeah. That should be better. It'll still work. Watch the cords.
Okay, let's start off with the back here, and let's.
Yeah. Okay. I love square head. I used to swear by Phillips head screwdrivers, and I started using square head when I got a Craig jig.
Never again go back to Phillips.
Never going back. And flathead is just from the Stone Ages.
No one does flathead.
Let's do this one. Well, ironically, I had used flathead
back
lag bolts on that table, on those legs.
That printer?
That's why it took... No, on the big table is down here, the gaming table. And that's why it took so long
to get them out.
to take apart. Because that flathead kept slipping.
Flatheads are the worst.
They are the worst. Okay, so I need to crawl in from the inside. If you can hold that, I'll do a couple of little pilot screws through this brace, just to hold it on there.
I'll just sit on it.
Hey man, you do you. Okay, let's stand it up. Careful. Oh yeah, I can get in there nicely now. Look at that. All right, let's take the top off.
Oh, do we want?
We're gonna do the pockets. Pop it a tiny bit this way. Just boom, boom, boom. Good. No, this is cool. This was a fun project. It came together relatively quickly. I think we had a pretty good idea of what we wanted to do as we were going into it. And we have a studio. It's makeshift. It's, we got wood panel on the walls. We got old beat up wood shelves behind us. But we do have a place that we can present from now. And that's something we didn't have before. This was just a disaster.
It's a little place we can now call our own.
Yeah. It's a good place to do some projects. I'm wanting to put some cutting surface down on this. We've got projects coming up. Put some LED lighting up on the ceiling. Hopefully get away from these hot lights that we have up right now. We have old low pro. They're nice, but they're very warm video hot lights, and LED's cheap. LED's easy to work with.
Yeah, low cost.
Yep. We can, once you get this thing electrified, we can plug in our soldering stations down here and sit and wire up some some LED lighting, some video lighting for ourselves.
Yeah.
And you know, that'd be nice too, to get it out of our line of sight. We got this incredibly bright light right there. If we had a little bit
Trying
more
not
above
to
us,
squint. I
yeah,
got some black
I'm sitting
spots
here
going
like,
on my eyeballs right now.
are we on? We need to go dumpster diving and find some comfy, old, beat up, crappy chairs to sit here for our video podcast. Like you said, we want to put some wheels on this bench, but otherwise, I mean, we're ready. We can present from here. This is good.
I think we're good to go.
All right, everybody, thank you for watching. If you like what you've seen today, please leave us a like or subscribe. That helps us out tremendously.
If there is anything you would like to see us try, please leave a comment down below.
And we'll give it a shot. We'll see you guys next week. What are you going to say?
I don't know. Leave a comment. Try to make it. We will try to make it. Go ahead and put a comment down below if you ever want to see us make anything or interests you. Add us. If there is anything you'd like to see us try. If there is anything you'd like to see us try. If there is anything you'd like to see us try.
If there's anything.
That's the thing. It's like interested in trying. Interested in us.
If there's anything you'd like to see us try.
Anything in. Interested. Oh, jeez. If there is anything you're interested in us to try, please leave a comment down below.